Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into how to invite team members to your project on teamwork.com. So let's get started right away. First, log into your teamwork.com account. This is your gateway to managing your projects and team effectively. Next up, click on the name of your project, which you can find in the Projects tab on the dashboard. This is where all the magic of collaboration happens and where you can invite your team members to join in. Now that we've done that, look for the People tab and click on it. This helps us because it'll take us to the area where we can manage who has access to our project. Let me explain why this matters. By managing who has access to our project, we can ensure that only the relevant people are involved, creating a more efficient workspace. On the People page, you'll see an Invite Users button. Click on it, and you'll find a field to enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to invite. The reason we do this is to send invitation directly to their email, making it easy for them to join your project. After entering the emails, click Send Invites. This will send an email with a link to join your project. Now, your team members just have to click on the link and they'll be added to your project. And there you have it. That's how you invite team members to your project on teamwork.com. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, effective collaboration is just a few clicks away.